I still stand na SAMBA full draw. You know 50,000.
Okay, Osubrigo, let's start the match afresh now.
Okay, this is the lineup. This is TEJUOSHO FC with yellow. What I go to Akasemia. Yes, this is Francis, the chairman of TEJUOSHO FC. That's Mambo Gattuso, and that is coach of SAMBA FC. That's Eda. I think that's their captain, the captain of SAMBA. This is the SAMBA. This is the king of goals, the chairman of SAMBA FC. Okay, notice Ishima. We have the supporters.
Yeah, football. So, I beg, most of my players, we are all business people. We say cutting and bed sheet and family men because nobody should play love. Yeah, that's what we go. And I still stand na SAMBA full draw. You know 50,000.
Powerful.
I still stand.
United.
Coach.
And it's a free kick. Direct to the post. And he saved it. That's a good keeper. Yes. Oh my God. SAMBA giving them back to back. TEJUOSHO FC on a hot seat. What's happening here? TEJUOSHO FC is over the ball. It's a goal. Yes. It's over the ball. TEJUOSHO FC. Their first goal just in 5 minutes, and they are proving to them that they are here to win this match and go with victory. Izu, that's a good striker. Oh my God. Hey, everybody's jumping up. Chinekena, Kemekbo. Ooh. And they cross from distance. What's going to happen here? Oh my God, the keeper is outside. Oh, and he cleared it. That's the keeper. I know you in the building. Oh my God, it's a free kick. Okay. Casey about to take the free kick. Casey. Oh, and it's a goal kick.
Video assistant referee in use for the first time in the Bundesliga. What's it going to be? And he's had a look at it, the referee, to be a stealer, and he's awarded a penalty.
And it's a goal! Yes! It's now 1-1. We know Eda is a great player. We are not surprised in anything that he played here because he has broken many records. All the way from Enugu's again in Suka, other way. And it's a throw. They punch it out. Try from distance. No way. Yes. SAMBA with the ball. Osh. Yes. Kick it out. Now Martic. And it's a goal kick. Okay. Oh my God. What's happening here? Hey, this Adoy. Hey, Chinekena. Hey, Adoy. Yes. Adoy just finished him. Eda with the head. No one. I don't think Eda is happy with this ball because they are not feeding him with the kind of ball that he wants and he is expecting. Because he have not gotten any chance to score any goal today. That's Enyo with the ball. Osh with the cross. Oh no, it's actually outside the field.
Okay. Enyi. He's gallant. That's Eda. Eda again. Eda never missed his ball. Yeah. It's out. Who is there? Yes. Adoi just cleared it. I think Adoi is performing very well in this match today. Adoi is known to be a defender, but I think he's playing all win today.
Yes, and us with the assist. He's still with the ball. He climbed and it's a goal. Yes. He is the best when it comes to striking. He has proven himself again, and it's another goal, making it 2 goals in 1 match. Yes, TEJUOSHO FC leading the ball. You can see everybody's jollificating. Yes, you can see their manager jollificating and jumping up. That's Frontex. Yes, congratulations to TEJUOSHO FC. They know what they are doing. They said that they are not here to joke. They are here for business. And they are proving it right. Yes!
Yes, and it's now 2-1. 2 for TEJUOSHO FC and 1 for SAMBA. SAMBA FC. They are going again. Could it be a chance? Oh my God. It's a free kick. Who's going to kick it? No.
And Izu, come on! Great save from the keeper. Yes, that's a great save.
Outstanding goalkeeping to prevent the own goal.
It's all right. Oh my God, what's happening there? Okay. I think it's a throw-in, and they throw it in. They head it out. Omo. SAMBA really mean business here. Eda never misses his ball. Okay. I don't think it's a joke anymore. He just cleared it. Casey knows what he is doing. That is the best striker we have here. I mean the defender. Should it be offside? It's not offside. They are going.
Oh, Eda with the ball, guy! Enyi has proven himself again that he is the greatest goalkeeper. Eda again.
Oh. I know Eda will be wondering what's happening today because this goalkeeper have not given him any chance to get any goal. And it's outside the box.
TEJUOSHO with the free kick.
Oh, what a save.
Oh, Eda! He is the best when it comes to free kick, but we got any in the goalkeeping post. Yes, he saved it. Another free kick! Yes! Enyi! He saved it again and it's a corner. Come on, punch it out.
And it's the final whistle. The ball ended 2-2. I think the media man went to ease himself when they scored the second goal. Now it's 2-2.
I still stand now. SAMBA for draw. You know 50,000.